Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. This is the place to learn English slowly and easily. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, hello, hello. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. If you are new, welcome. If you are coming back, welcome again.
This podcast is for you. If you are a beginner, if you feel shy with English, if you think English is hard,
English is not hard. You can do it. Step by step. Day by day.
today's topic is very useful, very practical, very real life.
Yes. Today we talk about daily English words you must know in 2026.
Wow, 2026 sounds big.
It sounds like the future.
But don't worry, the words are simple. Easy words. Daily words.
Words you hear every day. Words you can use today. Not tomorrow. Today.
So relax. Sit back. Get a cup of tea or coffee.
Or water. Water is good.
Yes. And let's start.
Paul, are you ready?
I'm ready. My brain is awake. I think.
I hope so.
Hey!
Just joking. Let's begin. Our first word is very common. You hear it everywhere.
Yes. The word is update.
Update. Let's say it slowly. Update.
Update.
Good. An update means new information.
New news. New details.
For example, I say, "Can you give me an update?"
That means, tell me what is new.
Yes. At work. At school. With friends.
I can say, any update on the meeting?
Good example.
Thank you.
Let's do a small practice. Listeners, repeat after me. Update.
Update.
Again. Update.
Very good.
Nice. You are learning already.
See? Easy.
Our next word is very popular in daily life. The word is plan.
Plan. Simple word. Big meaning.
A plan is what you want to do.
Today, tomorrow, next week.
I can say, "My plan is to study English."
That's a great plan.
Thank you.
I can say, what is your plan today?
Very common question.
Yes. People ask this a lot.
Let's practice. Listeners, think for 2 seconds. What is your plan today?
No stress. Simple answer is okay.
You can say, "My plan is to work," or "My plan is to rest."
Or, my plan is to listen to this podcast.
Best answer.
We like that answer.
Next word. This word is very 2026.
Oh, future word.
Not new, but used more and more. The word is online.
Online.
Online means on the internet.
On your phone. On your computer.
For example, I study English online.
Or, the meeting is online.
Very common now.
Let's repeat together. Online.
Online.
Good job.
Paul, are you online now?
I think so. My brain is online. Sometimes it goes offline.
Mine too.
That's normal.
Next word is very useful in daily talk. The word is busy.
Busy. B-U-S-Y.
Busy means you have many things to do.
For example, I am busy today.
Or, sorry, I'm busy now.
People say this all the time.
Yes. And it's okay to be busy.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Emily, can you talk now?
Sorry, Paul. I'm busy right now.
No problem.
Simple. Real life.
Listeners, repeat after me. I'm busy.
Again. I'm busy.
Perfect.
Next word is friendly and nice. The word is support.
Support.
Support means help.
Help with words. Help with action.
I can say, thank you for your support.
Or, I support you.
That means, I believe in you.
That's a beautiful word.
Yes, and we support you.
Always.
Small practice time. Listeners, say this with us. I can do it.
I can do it.
Again. I can do it.
Very good.
Next word. This word is simple but powerful. The word is focus.
Focus.
Focus means pay attention.
Look. Listen. Think.
For example, please focus on your work.
Or, I need to focus.
Sometimes my focus goes away.
Mine too. Especially with my phone.
Yes, phone is not good for focus.
Listeners, repeat. Focus.
Focus.
Nice.
Next word is used every day. The word is schedule.
Schedule.
This word means your time plan.
When you do things.
For example, my schedule is full today.
Or, what is your schedule tomorrow?
Very common at work.
Let's say it slowly. Schedule.
Schedule.
Good.
Next word is very friendly. The word is check.
Check.
Check means look again.
Make sure.
For example, please check your email.
Or, let me check.
I say that a lot.
Me too. Even when I know the answer.
Same.
Practice time. Listeners, repeat. Let me check.
Let me check.
Great.
Next word is very positive. The word is improve.
Improve.
Improve means get better.
Better English. Better life.
I can say, I want to improve my English.
That's why you are here.
Yes.
Repeat with us. Improve.
Improve.
Excellent.
The word is message.
Message.
Message is a text you send.
On your phone. On apps.
For example, I sent you a message.
Or, did you get my message?
Very daily life.
Let's practice. Message.
Message.
Good job.
Next word is important for work and life. The word is deadline.
Deadline.
Deadline is the last day or time.
The end time.
For example, the deadline is Friday.
That means finish before Friday.
Deadlines can be scary.
Yes, but they help us focus.
True.
Repeat slowly. Deadline.
Deadline.
Nice.
Next word is very useful. The word is option.
Option.
Option means choice.
One thing or another thing.
For example, you have two options.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
I knew it.
Practice time. Repeat. Option.
Option.
Great. Next word is simple and polite. The word is confirm.
Confirm.
Confirm means say yes for sure.
Make it clear.
For example, please confirm the time.
Or, I confirm the meeting.
Very useful word.
Repeat with us. Confirm.
Confirm.
Perfect.
Next word is very friendly again. The word is share.
Share.
Share means give something to others.
Ideas. Food. Information.
For example, please share this podcast.
We like that example.
Yes, and it helps us.
Repeat. Share.
Share.
Thank you.
Next word is common in feelings. The word is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Comfortable means feel good.
Relaxed. Not worried.
For example, I feel comfortable speaking English.
That's our goal.
Yes.
Repeat. Slowly. Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Done.
Next word is short and sweet. The word is quick.
Quick.
Quick means fast.
Not slow.
For example, it's a quick question.
Or, I need a quick break.
Repeat. Quick.
Quick.
Nice. Now, let's have a small thinking moment. Listeners, think quietly.
Which word do you like the most today?
No. Answer out loud. Just think.
Good.
You are doing great.
Very great.
Let's continue. Next word is very positive. The word is progress.
Progress.
Progress means moving forward.
Small steps.
For example, I see progress in my English.
That feels good.
Yes.
Repeat. Progress.
Progress.
Excellent.
Next word is daily life. Again, the word is routine.
Routine.
Routine means what you do every day.
Morning routine.
Night routine. For example, my routine is simple.
Wake up. Work. Rest.
Repeat with us. Routine.
Routine.
Very good. Next word is polite and useful. The word is suggest.
Suggest.
Suggest means give an idea.
Not force. Just idea.
For example, I suggest we start now.
That's polite English.
Yes.
Repeat. Suggest.
Suggest.
Great.
Next word is important in communication. The word is clear.
Clear.
Clear means easy to understand.
Not confusing.
For example, please speak clear.
Or, that is clear.
Repeat. Clear.
Clear.
Nice. Now let's do a short practice conversation.
Okay.
Paul, is the plan clear?
Yes, Emily. It's clear.
Good.
Simple and useful.
Next word is very common in 2026. The word is digital.
Digital.
Digital means on screen.
Not paper.
For example, digital payment.
Or, digital class.
Repeat. Digital.
Digital.
Good job. Next word is friendly. The word is connect.
Connect.
Connect means talk or link with people.
Make friends. Work together.
For example, I want to connect with you.
We connect here every day.
Yes.
Repeat. Connect.
Connect.
Excellent.
Next word is small but strong. The word is simple.
Simple.
Simple means easy.
Not hard.
For example, keep it simple.
That's our style.
Yes.
Repeat. Simple.
Simple.
Perfect.
Next word is very motivating. The word is goal.
Goal.
Goal means what you want to reach.
Dream. Target.
For example, my goal is better English.
That's a good goal.
Repeat. Goal.
Goal.
Wonderful. Now let's pause for a second.
Take a breath.
You are learning many words.
And you are doing great.
No pressure.
English is a journey.
One step at a time.
Let's continue with one last word.
The last word for today is very important. The word is confidence.
Confidence.
Confidence means believe in yourself.
Feel strong inside.
For example, speak with confidence.
Even with mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay.
Repeat slowly. Confidence.
Confidence.
Beautiful.
Now let's recap.
Today, we learned many daily English words.
Words like update, plan, online, busy,
Support, focus, schedule, check.
improve, message, deadline, option,
Confirm, share, comfortable, quick.
progress, routine, suggest, clear.
Digital, connect, simple, goal, confidence.
That's a lot.
But you don't need to remember all today.
Choose 2 or 3.
Use them today.
Small steps.
That is progress.
Now we have a question for you.
Which word will you use today?
Tell us in the comments.
We love to read your comments.
And don't forget,
Like this podcast.
share it with a friend.
Subscribe to the Everyday English Podcast.
We are here for you.
Every day.
Keep learning.
Keep smiling.
Keep believing in yourself.
You can do it.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.